A very warm welcome to Accomplish IS. Welcome to the 3 minute series. आपका स्वागत है आज के लेक्चर में हम ब्रिक्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. This series would be about many topics, but first we would be covering some of the international organizations. So let's begin the lecture. ब्रिक्स. हमें मालूम है कि ब्रिक्स एक 5 नेशन का मल्टीलैटरल प्लेटफॉर्म है. These are 5 major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, China, India, and South Africa. The important thing is पांचों के पांचों G20 के मेंबर्स है. 2009 से ब्रिक्स नेशंस ने अपना फॉर्मल समिट एनुअल कर दिया है. दैट इज दे आर मीटिंग एनुअली. व्हाट इज द advantage of meeting annually compared to biannually? Do comment in the comment box. So this is about recent developments that have been mooted by both India and China, and due to the recent standoff, it becomes very important that how China is trying to diplomatically on international and diplomat level is trying to somehow corner India. BRICS Plus was an idea mooted by Foreign Minister of China, and it says कि जब हमारा इतना बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये ब्रिक्स, which has such a wonderful cooperation and wonderful response, decision making, etc, etc, so why not expand it? This plus basically, in a simple word, wanted to include Pakistan in BRICS. However, it has been mooted in 2017. अभी तक इस पे कुछ ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट हुआ नहीं है. इंडिया ऑब्वियसली सपोर्ट भी नहीं करेगा, एंड सिंस ब्रिक्स इज अ कंसेंसस ड्रिवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज every member has to accept the decision, then only it would be final and binding in the sense the word of the organization. BRICS plus near future, in fact अपकमिंग फ्यूचर में तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. इंडिया और ब्रिक्स का हालांकि कोऑपरेशन और द वे दे हैव इंटरेक्टेड इज समहाउ डिफरेंट. As you can see, Union Cabinet has recently given its ex post facto approval for the MOU among BRICS nations regarding cooperation in the social and labor sphere, a mechanism for cooperation, collaboration, and maximum synergy with the common objective of inclusive growth and shared prosperity in the new industrial revolution. Short में social और labor sphere कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just about inclusive growth and shared prosperity in the new industrial revolution. कैसे? Via cooperation, collaboration and maximum synergy. Cooperation तो हम समझते हैं, various practices that each country is implementing and getting positive results, उस वो exchange हो between member nations. Collaboration simply दो countries एक project start करे, like we have industrial trade corridor in China and by NASCOM, and that is a sort of collaborative effort to develop. कुछ तो develop हो रहा है. But what is this maximum synergy? The question is, the maximum synergy से हम चाहते क्या है? Basically, maximum synergy is again a type of a call to diplomacy. It is about कि हम जो decisions बना रहे हैं, it should be aligned. That is, policy formulations should be aligned. Policy formulation से मतलब क्या है? चाइना बोल रहा है कि हम अपना BRO बनाएंगे चाहे आपका हिमालय को कुछ भी हो जाए. That policy is detrimental to Indian interest. Such problems can be overcome when we have maximum synergy or maximum unification while making a policy. So maximum synergy is one of the very important thing that India has been pushing yet and again on the BRICS platform. Moving forward, we have summit, जो 11 समिट हुई थी ब्राज़ीलिया में. The theme was economic growth for an innovative future. There was a Brasilia declaration for leaders which said कि भैया अभी जो वर्ल्ड व्यू है वो एक जैसा, दैट इज़ ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी होना चाहिए, दिस एंड दैट, नॉट समथिंग वेरी मेजर. However, the 10th summit that happened in Johannesburg was very important for the initiatives that were taken during it. The declaration, simply Johannesburg Declaration, was about the uh, major trade wars that was happening between USA and China and other factions, currency wars, इन सब को लेके. सो जोहान्सबर्ग डिक्लेरेशन वाज अबाउट कि हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए, अ मल्टीलैटरल प्लेटफॉर्म जो कि WTO है, बट देयर इज नो ट्रांसपेरेंसी, responsible behavior, accountability that many of the member nations are founding. So the BRICS nations mooted that we have to have a new sort of या फिर reforms of WTO that provides a transparent and open and inclusive multilateral trading based platform on the lines of WTO. We also have here partner. Partner का मतलब क्या है? Sorry, just a second. Partner का मतलब क्या है? Partner is about new industrial revolution. Now see, what does it mean exactly? We know we had several of the industrial revolution 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर कमेंट करिएगा what is the difference between industrial revolution 3.0 and 4.0 and 4.0 and 5.0. Industrial revolution 5.0 was a concept brought by Japan. क्या है वो, 4.0 क्या है, और this हालांकि this new industrial revolution partnership or part need, this focuses on fourth industrial revolution, how to leverage the technology, the efforts, the policies or strategies this industrial revolution can bring out. India also had proposed a agricultural resource platform, ARP, that is still in works. This was proposed in 2016. हर समिट में बोला जाता है कि बहुत अच्छा है, बट अभी तक उस पर ज़्यादा काम स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. हालांकि पिछले समिट में अगेन व्हेन देयर वाज अ कॉल फॉर ARP, we are expecting that in coming time we may have a agricultural resource sort of group that would be sharing the best practices of agriculture as well as irrigational methods. आपका जो भी एस्पेक्ट है रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर, फॉर एग्जांपल नैनो फर्टिलाइजर्स जो हमने रिसेंटली डेवलप करा है, सो दैट मे बी यूज्ड एज अ दैट मे बिकम अ मेजर सोर्स ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट फॉर अस. हमें फ्यूचर में क्या होगा हम बोल नहीं सकते, बट हाँ, agriculture resource platform can be a very good answer, can be a very good part of your answer in mains. Moving forward, we have a BRICS media forum. This is important because it is a high level dialogue among media organizations from Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. इस साल तो केप टाउन में हुआ था. The theme was fostering an inclusive just world order. I hope this is read by China again and again. It's about inclusive just world order. We had about 38 mainstream media organizations from BRICS, 5 from India. एक केप टाउन डिक्लेरेशन हुआ विच वॉज नथिंग बट फेक न्यूज़ को कर्ब करना चाहिए. देयर शुड बी इंटीग्रिटी इन द न्यूज़ दैट इज़ बीइंग क्रिएटेड एंड शेयर्ड between the BRICS nations or through the BRICS nations. There was a decision that we would be establishing a BRICS Media Academy and a BRICS News Portal. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I hope that this presentation was helpful for you. We would be posting more of it, so to stay alerted about the upcoming lectures, please join our Telegram, Accomplish IAS. Thank you for your time.